Hey WhatsApp users! Lost your phone or your chats? Don't sweat it. Google Drive backups have your back. Here's how to find and manage them like a pro. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech tips. Let's dive into saving your WhatsApp data. We're breaking down how to secure your WhatsApp chats with Google Drive backups. Whether you're switching phones or recovering messages, these steps ensure your photos and videos and chats stay safe. Ready to master your backups? Keep watching! WhatsApp backups on Google Drive lets you restore messages, photos, and videos when you reinstall the app or get a new device. You can set backups to daily, weekly, monthly, or manual, but each overwrites the last, so update regularly. After 5 months of inactivity, Google may delete them, so stay on top. Here's how to find your WhatsApp backup on a computer. Go to drive.google.com and log in. Click on Storage on the left and then select Backups. Look for WhatsApp Messenger to see the last backup's date and time. Click it to delete or turn off backups. Don't see it? Double check you're using the same Google account and phone number tied to WhatsApp. On the Google Drive mobile app, tap the 3-line menu, select Backups, and find WhatsApp listed. Tap the 3-dot menu to delete or stop backups. Backups are encrypted, so you'll need a password or 64-digit key to restore them. Here's a pro tip. Google Drive's free 15 GB fills up fast, so check your storage to avoid issues. Managing WhatsApp backups keeps your chats safe and makes switching devices a breeze. With end-to-end encryption, your data's secure, but regular backups are key. Try these setups today to protect your messages. What's your backup routine? Drop it below. That's the scoop on finding and managing WhatsApp backups in Google Drive. Are you setting daily backups or checking your storage? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love these tips, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech guides.